In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this DOOGEE device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down to access Intelligent Assistance. Now choose App Clone at the top and click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case WhatsApp. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my WhatsApp app was successfully cloned. If you wish to get rid of your clone, you can always access the same settings and click on No Blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!